If it's going to come in way high, it's going to affect all of our budgets.
The cold and snow now having an unexpected impact on some people's utility bills. So if you're used to getting your utility bill around this time of the month in Independence, your meter reading won't be exact. Water and electricity use and the amount you're charged are going to be rough estimates instead. Fox 4's Dave DeMarco is working for you in Independence to explain why.
These days, a lot of cities and utilities have smart meters where they can get that reading remotely. Here in Independence, they don't. So that would mean meter readers would have to go through all these yards full of snow to get that reading manually. Getting around Independence on snow-covered neighborhood streets was still difficult Thursday. It's part of the reason Independence Power and Light meter readers have not been out of the office getting readings since last week.
We read the electrical meters and water meters at the same time, and a lot of those water meters are now under a foot of snow. So
the city reads meters for 60,000 customers and sends out bills in 20 different cycles. But starting with the bills sent out January 8th, you'll see a notice that your water and electricity usage is just an estimate.
So estimation is based on historical usage. We'll look back several months, see how much electric and water you have been using.
We asked customers what they thought of the plan.
I don't think they're going to overcharge anybody. They shouldn't.
So if it was really, really cold and it's high, it's going to hurt us. And then if it's really, really low, then we gain this month, and then next month they're going to hit us again. Either way, I think people live on a budget and they're used to paying similar.
Working for you, we asked what happens if that estimate is off.
Once we estimate your bill and send it out, it'll be corrected upon the next read if there's any over or underpayment for that usage.
And if there's any way customers can assist those snowed-in meter readers with a more accurate reading.
If they get an estimated read and they don't agree with it or think it's wrong, they can take a picture of their meter and send that to our website.
The city hopes to begin reading meters again next week, predicting between a third and a half of customers will end up with estimates instead this month. Ironically, Independence already had plans next week to discuss whether it's worth investing in technology to replace these older meters with smart ones. In Independence, Dave DeMarco, Fox 4 News.